This is Duke University.
When children explore nature, things happen. Imagination grows, curiosity flourishes, discoveries sprout, and learning becomes fun.
My favorite place to be outside is in a garden.
I feel like I'm in the place I belong because nature is so important.
It's really fun because I can explore what happens and find out about new stuff that I never really knew about. It's kind of like I'm a scientist for myself when I can go out.
At Sarah P. Duke Gardens, families, children, and school groups discover a sense of wonder as they learn how the world works. Why do plants produce seeds? How is soil formed? What becomes of a tadpole? Which plant families are as old as the dinosaurs? What questions do you have?
Nature's so developed in this way that there are so many things that we don't understand yet, and we may never understand.
Never give up with searching for what you're looking for because you usually take your whole life to find out something new.
I was looking at the water insects. I saw one of the bugs were actually a dragonfly in the water.
Watch a plant grow, learn about life underground, and see a child's world expand as a lifelong relationship with nature begins.
I really enjoy nature. It's really fun to explore out there, and Duke Gardens is a really cool place for me to look around and explore. My imagination kind of like floats around when it's there.
I like seeing flowers bloom, and I like learning about different types of plants.
There's this little creek and there's this bridge, and there's so many rocks that you can just climb around on the rocks. That's my favorite place in Duke Gardens.
Join us for Nature Adventures Camp and watch nature's mysteries unfold.
Beautiful.